There she is, all put together. I haven't started it yet because it's snowing. So let me go over what's going on with this bike. I thought it was Studz that just, I don't know, dropped the ball on it, but that wasn't the case at all. They shipped it right away. I'm supposed to get a call from the shipping company. Well, they never called, I mean, for almost 2 weeks. And then they told Studz they had tried to call me 5 times, which is a load of crap. So then I got confirmation. They finally called and said, okay, it'll be there Tuesday. I said, fine, okay, I'll be there all day. So Tuesday, it's supposed to be delivered between 9 and 1 p.m. I called at noon. And I says, you know, what's going on? I just want to confirm that this is coming today. I got stuff to do. She said, yes, it is coming today. I said, you're sure? So I made her confirm twice. And an hour later, she frickin' called me back and said that, nope, it's not coming today. It'll have to come tomorrow. So the shipping company is to blame for not providing a tracking number, pretty much anything. And I thought it was coming from Detroit. That's why I ordered it from Studz, because their shipping is fast as hell. And I figured it would just come from their shop, but actually they have the distributor ship it to you, which is in Garland, Texas. So it did actually take some time to travel. I really wish I would have known that. I just would have went down to Studz and picked it up, because we would have been able to ride it for a couple of weeks. But so I was pretty upset. You know, I thought they were just screwing around with me, or somebody dropped the ball or something, but it wasn't them at all. One, I was uninformed, and two, the shipping company just sucks ass. That's all there is to say about that. But now it's snowing like crazy. I don't want to start it up and get it going in here, because I got some doors and stuff. I don't want everything to stink like gas. So probably next couple of days, supposed to warm up. We'll get her out and get her ripping.